We are turbo boosted and ready to blast into the weekend.
So we didn't even have any coffee. We're going to talk. So we're going to talk some big blockbusters. One for the little ones here in just a little bit. Officer Gloria Cornell with Santikos is here once again, packing heat or a banana, whatever the case may be.
A banana. I'm packing a banana.
That's all you're packing.
That's
you do
all
have
I'm packing.
handcuffs, though.
I do. I've got handcuffs,
Settle
a
down.
baton.
She got to borrow mine.
That's right. See, there, Monica.
I know. Stop that.
I'm kidding.
Okay, let's start off with the first one, R.I.P.D.
Yes.
And so we've got Ryan Reynolds in this movie.
Ryan Reynolds, Jeff Bridges. You can't go wrong with those two. You know, so he gets, you know, he unfortunately dies, but then he's getting on board with R.I.P.D. and they're trying to find the undead and
just rest in peace
department. Rest in peace department, trying to find who killed him.
This looks like this almost reminds me of the movie with Will Smith. I was worried that it might be a lot like that.
Yeah, a lot of people are comparing the two, but you know, Jeff Bridges and
Which
Ryan
is Men
Reynolds,
in Black, is what I was talking about.
Yeah, Will Smith and Tommy Lee Jones. Maybe a little similar, but you know, so you kind of know going in what you're expecting.
Well, Ryan Reynolds looks really good, so that's worth the price of admission
right
there.
Yes, he's so handsome.
Okay, next up is Red 2, and there's a lot of flying cars and action and gunfire in this too.
Oh my gosh, so kind of the same premise from Red 1, right? So you know, you're getting all the action, and you've got Bruce Willis, and all the cast comes back, and Catherine Zeta-Jones is so hilarious in this. I got a chance to see the film, and she's hilarious. The cast does another amazing job, just action packed from beginning to end. Lots of comedy. Yeah, big names, absolutely.
All right, another movie coming out for those people that want to be scared in the middle of the summer rather than waiting till October, The Conjuring.
Okay, so The Conjuring is getting huge reviews, like good reviews. You know,
really?
This is based on a true story. The director also did Insidious. He's doing Insidious 2, so you know going. But this one is rated R. So Insidious was rated PG-13, but this one is rated R, and I hear it is just really scary. So if you're in the mood for scary, go see this one. I have a feeling this is going to be the top one at the box office.
Wow!
Honestly.
Really?
Okay.
Absolutely. Yeah, I have a feeling.
hunch.
It's not going to be like big blockbuster, but I think it'll do well.
We'll find out on Monday.
Did the ghost tell you that?
The ghost told me that.
Yeah. Okay. You'll see the scary little doll in a few minutes. Okay, let's talk about the Bijou movies really quickly so we can get over to Amanda and talk about all the great
so we've got two films opening up at the Bijou, Only God Forgives and The Way, Way Back. Only God Forgives has got Ryan Gosling in it, you know, and the director's from the director of Drive. So, you know, if you liked Drive, Only God Forgives, you'll like that one. And then The Way, Way Back, it's from the creators of Little Miss Sunshine. You know, Toni Collette's in it. You know, you got Steve Carell. It's another great film.
I think that movie's going to be great. I think that's one of the ones I'd like to check out.
That's one that I want to see too. Absolutely.
All right, so now we've made it over here to the place we always like, the food and the drink and the prize packs. And Amanda Weaver is here, so we're going to check out this pizza pie.
Our turbo pizza. It's got turbo pizza. You know, it's got a little extra spice to it, jalapenos and pepperonis. And then you can wash it down with our Ghost Blaster.
Ghost Blaster, that's cute.
Oh, is that be Jaeger and Red Bull, so you can actually stay up through the movie.
Oh,
not
boy.
That's a shot of my choice. I would have had it in the
pizza
past.
and Jaeger.
There you go. It's a good combination,
right? I love it, yes.
Unbelievable.
And then over here, I've got a spooky LIT.
And we're going to show that
doll is freaking us out
Conjuring
here.
doll right over here. It is scary. Melly, you can get a shot of that in a second here to our left. Look to your left here. This doll right here is crazy looking.
And then for red, we've got the Red Teeny. It's going to have a base of Sprite and then vodka, and it's going to be watermelon flavored to give it that nice red color.
Do you come up with all of these, Amanda? Who comes up with all these brilliant ideas?
I usually do.
That's
Oh,
impressive.
very nice. Okay, this is what I wanted to show everybody. This is what we're scared of, Melly. This who's behind our camera right now. This Conjuring doll. She's probably freaky. So you're right. I think that's going to be one of those scary movies for sure this weekend. Let's talk about Turbo, though. It opened up on Wednesday.
It did open up on Wednesday. It sure did. You know, just another cute film. You know, we're coming off of Despicable Me, so you're kind of looking for something new. And this one is just absolutely adorable. Little snail, how fast he is. And if you know how he got that way, you get a chance to win these prizes.
Very nice. And if you love Ryan Reynolds, go check out both movies. He's in 2 movies.
That's right.
Turbo and R.I.P.D.
That's good knowledge there. So there's 4 prize packs to give away today. We've got one question. So the first 4 callers who answer correctly, and you're giving away basically everything
Pretty
up
much
here.
everything on the table.
Besides Amanda. I think that's the only thing they're not giving away
Amanda
here.
does not want to be given away in this
No.
prize pack. Maybe later on. All right.
Let's get to the question
The question
here.
is, how does Turbo become so fast? How does Turbo become so fast? If you have the answer to this question, we're asking you to call 470-5222, 470-5222. The first caller.
The first 4 will get something.
Something.
Yeah,
So
there's 4
you
different
have to
prize
answer
packs.
the question right, and then you will get those prize packs. We've got 4 of them to give away.
Okay, and of course the movie tickets as well. I mean, that's
Absolutely.
in there.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
So another great weekend at the movies here, and thank you, ladies, for
Thank you.
taking care of us once again.
Nice.
Good stuff.
Thank you.
Santikos, check them out this weekend. And she can have her handcuffs back.
There you go.
I know, handcuffs back.
No. We'll be back after a break. No.
No.